50 plus I feel. Sentences for kids. I feel happy today. I feel excited about my new project. I feel confident in my abilities. I feel loved by my family. I feel proud of my achievements. I feel energetic this morning. I feel grateful for everything I have. I feel sad when it rains. I feel tired after working all day. I feel lonely sometimes. I feel nervous before exams. I feel angry when someone lies. I feel jealous of others' success. I feel cold in the winter. I feel hot in the summer sun. I feel hungry before lunch. I feel thirsty after running. I feel sleepy at night. I feel pain in my back. I feel dizzy sometimes. I feel fresh after a shower. I feel comfortable with my friends. I feel relaxed with music. I feel respected by my classmates. I feel happy when I get good grades. I feel shy in front of strangers. I feel embarrassed when I make mistakes. I feel better after drinking tea. I feel scared during thunderstorms. I feel busy all the time. I feel peaceful nature. I feel sick today. I feel blessed every day. I feel bored without internet. I feel hungry during the class. I feel irritated by loud noise. I feel artistic while painting. I feel joyful while dancing. I feel expressive through writing. I feel scared in the dark. Thanks for watching.